Well, it's been an honor serving with you. Welcome back everybody, I am one tripod down, but it is time for another start to finish photo editing tutorial, this time using Aurora HDR and a picture that I took in Japan recently, which is this one. So we're gonna go from here to that image and back and forth in only a couple of minutes using the great power of Aurora HDR 2019. So let's run the intro and let's get going. Alrighty, so you have my -2, my 0 and my +2 exposure. Let's select those and drag and drop them into Aurora HDR. Where are you? Here. Once we are there, I'm just going to make sure I'm going to hit auto align, and also I'm going to reduce some ghosting here because I think it was windy and the lanterns were moving slightly. Once done, create HDR. And here we are. Even if you check the 0 exposure, this one, compared to the Aurora HDR version, it's already quite awesome. So let's get going. I always like to use presets if I can. If they can get me a certain way there, why wouldn't I? So in our case, I'm going to apply what is called Big Glow. That is just simply a preset, or what they call a look here. That'll apply an amount of certain settings to make the image look like that. And I must say I really like this. The only thing I don't like, it's a bit too fuzzy, too hazy. No problem, let's jump to the right here and let's find out what creates the specific radiance, and it's going to be image radiance. So let's tune that down a little bit and find the right point for us. Something like that looks good. And I really already like this a lot. The last thing that I want to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down and add a little bit of a vignette here, a good old post-crop vignette. So let's bring that down to the left, close that circle a little bit and increase the inner brightness. And boom, there we go. Let's close all the stuff we don't need. Here we go and have a look at the before and the after. And the before and the after. Damn, that was quick. And there we go, super quick image, but I'm always amazed how easy you can create these night HDR images, or any HDR images for that matter, using Aurora HDR 2019. Now, if you have never used it, there's a full guide of course just below that video, so do make sure to check it out if it sounds like something that you would be interested in. And other than that, I shall see you next time, may it be for a complete photo editing tutorial, quick tips on all the different softwares, photography tutorials in general, or anything else that may come your way. I shall see you next time, and have a good one. Bye!